All right, you know what time it is. It's time to feed the backyard wildlife, and it is 8:47 in southeast Michigan. Look how blue and bright the sky still is. Well, it's actually really muggy, but all right, let's get to it. What are they eating tonight? Let's see. We know they love their peanuts. They're not getting the grapefruit. There's 2 donuts. There's some more fruit. There's some bananas. I have to peel them though. And there are some cookies. Does anyone notice a trend of more and more food being put out, or is it just me? I think that's a leftover potato. Apparently they don't like broccoli. Not for you.